Okay.
I guess we're all live right now.
We are on live.
Yeah.
Good to see you guys, everybody. Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while. Another
It's
live stream, guys.
Well, yeah, after a, quite good vacation
Sure.
of Chinese New Year, we're
Yeah.
back. Well, we've been back in the office for quite some time, and
Sure.
we already announced our, new features,
Yeah.
as you guys can see.
Yeah.
So I guess everybody's looking forward to Don't Yarn.
Yeah.
Get excited, okay?
Yeah,
This
that's
is the
right.
real one. Okay. So today we are going to talk about the Outbound Call Center solution.
Yeah, exactly.
obviously. Yeah.
Exactly. And I'm pretty sure you guys already get this new firmware on your PC or system. On February 25th, the new firmware is just available there. And this Outbound Call Center solution, pretty much sure. If you have the software edition, you get it on your system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we are not officially starting yet because people are still coming in,
Yeah.
and we will wait for a few seconds
Yeah, sure.
for a
We're gonna
while.
wait for a while.
before we actually get started with this live session, with this live stream. But guys, if you have any questions, if there's anything you want us to explain, just leave us a comment. I will see your comment right here.
Yeah.
Okay?
I don't think we have questions. This is just at the very beginning. Who's gonna ask questions?
I just wanted to let you know. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we already see you guys from all around the world, right? Hello from Athens, Greece, from Nairobi, Kenya, from Philippines, from Birmingham, from Congo, from Egypt.
Yep.
Yeah, hello guys, Well, it's been a while. Yeah, I missed
Yeah.
this. Good morning from the sunny UK. Wow, sunny UK. So,
Yeah.
sunny UK. I guess this is a pretty good day in the
Yeah,
UK,
that's a pretty good day. Well, we got a rainy day today.
Oh, we got a rainy day. Yes.
Yeah.
We got a rainy day, all right.
You just mentioned that.
So I guess we have a UK weather
Right,
here
right.
now. We are having our UK experience
Yeah.
right now, and
Yeah.
you guys are experiencing sunshine.
Yeah.
That's good. That's fun. Hello, hi guys. Hi, Erwin. Good morning, Nico from Berlin. Good morning, Nico. Hi, Erwin. Erwin from Indonesia. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, Zakra. Hello, Conan. Hello from Czech.
Yep. So good to see you guys.
Jiri. Czech. Hello from Czech. Wow. It's chit chat time, right?
Yeah, chit chat time.
Yeah.
That's right.
Hello guys. Or from Czech. I've been playing Kingdom Come lately. Well, but that's great. Hello from Kuwait, New Zealand. Hello all. Hello guys. Well, Mozambique. Well, once again, I mean, this is actually one of the very important reasons why we enjoy doing this.
Yeah.
Because we get to see you guys, meet you guys from all over the world. Yeah, it's
Always a good chance to communicate with you guys through
Yeah.
the YouTube channel.
Yeah, through the YouTube channel. Yeah. Yeah. Hello from Indonesia. Hello from Hong Kong.
Yeah, we got lots of visitors today, right?
Yeah.
It's a hot topic.
Yeah. It's a hot topic. Outbound Call Center. Everybody loves it. Well, once again,
I was thinking about maybe they're coming here for us, but now I check on this. I check on the signboard. Yeah, that's for the topic.
they are here for the Outbound Call Center solution, all right. Well, it's been very, very anticipated because a lot of people really need it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Highly
they re-
demanded.
Yeah. Well, before we actually get started, how do you think of the Outbound Call Center solution?
You mean for our solution
Well,
right now?
we've been training our partners all around the world for a while.
Yeah, that's right.
I want
You mean like for me, personal experience
personal
with
idea.
it?
Be real, okay? Be real. Be honest.
Okay. First of all, this feature we have it. That's something cool. I mean, really, it's really something cool. You set up the outbound call center, it will just work perfectly.
Yeah.
But something I don't like it is sometimes people would get confused when we talk about the outbound call center.
Why?
Because when you try to provide a call center solution, the outbound call center solution, I mean, customers' requirement might be really dynamic. You don't even know
Very
exactly.
diverse.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's my point. So what we can do right now is we give you guys the first edition, like the phase one, and we actually want to use the first edition to collect all of your feedbacks.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna make it better.
Yeah, we are going to make it better.
Sure.
And well, we got this question, here and there, asking about, if we can do like.
I mean,
robocalls.
something interesting is technically, I don't think there's any problem for us to promote something more advanced. But the only thing matters here is we actually need the feedback, the real
Yeah.
market feedback.
Yeah,
See
yeah, yeah.
exactly what are these end users are looking for.
Yeah. Well, there are a few examples. Maybe we can talk through it.
Sure.
Talk about it during the whole process. Okay, I think we're good to go. We've seen a lot of participants here. And by the way, guys, once again, we are now officially getting started. Our partners, our colleagues from the pre-sales team, all the engineers, they are waiting in the comments. So if you have any questions, even though we are chatting, maybe we are we can do it. We don't have time, right at the moment, for the comments. But don't worry about it. If you have a question,
feel free to drop your questions in the channel.
yeah, we
They
got
can handle
engineers.
it.
We got engineers, and they will be answering all your questions. We are working at the team, right?
Yeah.
And talking about which, okay, let's get started. Okay.
Yeah, let's just jump in.
Okay, so, this is the first training for the
First live stream.
First,
it's not a training.
first live streaming
Yeah.
in the year 2025 Chinese New Year.
Sure.
The year of snake.
After the Chinese New Year.
The year of snake. So this is New Year for us. So, well, first of all, Happy New Year. We hope you have a very successful, peaceful, safe,
That's
and at the same time, you get a lot of great experience in this new year.
Sure.
Because we are all here. Right, because we're all here for only one time, and this is why we need to spend our time. With joy. Okay,
Sure.
so we are here to talk about our Outbound Call Center solution and some other new features.
updates.
In this new updates. So in this new
new firmware, right.
So the most anticipated one, the man of the show is the Outbound Call Center. So
course.
why don't we start with our Outbound Call Center solution?
Right.
Yeah.
Sure, let's just give it a check there, guys. About the Outbound Call Center, I believe you know it. We have the call center solution for a long time, which is the inbound call center. Now, this time we give you guys the new solution, Outbound Call Center. It's quite different, comparing with the inbound call center. I mean, the major difference between the inbound call center and the outbound call center is who's going to make the call. Yeah, that's the major difference.
Yeah, it's true. Well, you guys are professional here, so we're going to make it short, okay? So basically with Yeastar Outbound Call Center, as you guys can see here, this is a pretty standardized outbound call center.
Sure.
That means you import a list to the PBX. The PBX will automatically make outbound calls according to the rules that you set for this very list.
Sure.
Right? And then if someone from the list pick up, the system will just connect the call to a freight agent.
Yeah.
This is how it works, as always, right?
Yeah, like we mentioned, the system will always start the phone call. Well, I guess the inbound call center is going to be the customer. They start the phone call. So that's just the major difference.
Yeah.
And what truly matters about this outbound call center, if you want to build it up, it's going to be this core feature, which is the auto dialer.
Yeah, auto dialer.
Yeah, that's right. That's actually the key feature we have on the outbound call center this time.
Yeah, so what types of outbound auto dialers do we offer?
This is the phase one, like I said, the first edition. So we will just give you guys three options.
Okay.
Progressive, power, and also agentless.
But we will explain how it works,
sure.
what's our rule a little bit later, okay? And there is one more very important thing, which is to have outbound call center. In this upgrade, we support software PBX.
Yeah, that's right. You have to be a little bit careful. The first edition, once again, we just released the Outbound Call Center on the P-Series software edition. I'm pretty sure some of our partners, they probably want to know, hey, do we have any plan on the P-Series appliance edition and the cloud edition? Well, I guess so. It might be. I guess it might take some time. The first edition, we'll just release it on the software edition.
Yeah. Well, we have to work things out a little bit.
Yeah.
Because we see our partners Quentin. Wow, Quentin. Okay, asking about if we can support that on the Cloud PBX, Cloud Edition. Well, we have to explain. Okay.
Yeah.
We have. On Cloud Edition and Hardware Edition, the Appliance Edition, it is not supported for now. The main reason is, okay, for the Appliance Edition, we need to consider the hardware capacity.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, because if it's outbound call center, you are generating...
It will take a huge amount of your concurrent costs.
Yeah, you are generating a lot of calls automatically, constantly. So, yeah, we need to make some adjustment maybe here and there on our hardware PBX so it can work. And the thing is with Cloud PBX, it's the same issue. You will have to generate a lot of calls. So it will generate a lot of cost for your server.
Yeah, that's right.
On your server, no matter if it's...
Technically, there's nothing wrong with it, but the cost is going to be the issue.
No matter if it's, the server capacity or the, internet, data flow, well, everything will be very high in a very short amount of time. So, we need to consider that technically, commercially. Yeah. But, guys, if you really need that, don't be afraid to let us know, okay? We will, if we really see that there is, like, for example, a very high, high expectation on outbound call center for the Cloud PBX, for example, we will prioritize that. Yeah. Because in Yeastar, we always prioritize your requirements. As our partners.
Exactly. So we release it on the software edition at the very beginning because it's a software PBX, guys, which is capable to handle this big call center. Absolutely. And talking about this, another thing you have to be a little bit careful is, hey, exactly how do we get this outbound call center solution? It's an add-on service. When you purchase your software edition license, you can choose to subscribe the outbound call center. It's additional license. And we're going to purchase it by channels.
We're going to purchase by channels, and then as you guys can see here, the quantity of the channels have to be half of the system concurrent.
That's the limit.
Concurrent calls.
Yeah, sure.
For now, once again, it's the reason. It's because we need to consider your system stability.
Yeah, exactly.
If that's, if you use all your concurrent calls for outbound calls, then you don't have the rest you don't have
for your
anything
normal
for
communications.
normal communication. But once again, it depends on what kind of customers are you targeting.
Yeah, that's right.
Right? So, don't let us know if you need like a full-on outbound call center, full-on concurrent calls. If that's what you need, maybe we can work it out. Once again, it's more of a commercial, thing.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, because a lot of customers are already shooting customers about those things. Okay. Okay. All right.
We good?
We're good. Yeah. Let's move on.
Yeah, let's keep going. So that's just a few tips. You guys need to be a little bit careful when you try to get the outbound call
People
center.
are already asking how it works.
Hold on a second. See my computers here. Absolutely, we're going to show you the live demo.
Yeah.
I guess we can give it a check here about the outbound call center. Let's have a look.
Okay.
Yeah. By the way, guys, 30-day free trial as always. So if this is the first time for you to get a P-Series software edition, you want to try this new feature, feel free to give it a try. 30-day as always.
Yeah, you will always get your 30-day free trial.
That's right.
Let's move on.
Yeah, let's just move on. Let's jump in. Check on my computer right now. See this? First of all, you get this outbound call center license. If you subscribe it, this is how it looks. When you log into your P-Series software edition, you check on plan, you click on add-on subscription, you will see the outbound call center.
Well, if you didn't subscribe for it, you can also enable your 30-day free trial.
Yeah, that's right.
But because it's already installed, then
I got this one installed. I got this one activated, so you can see it's working right now. And after that, we're going to build up this outbound call center. I guess generally speaking, we have 3 steps to set up the outbound call center. Step number 1, you're going to set up a particular queue for the outbound call center.
Yeah, if you really need a queue of agents, there to, dealing with all the calls, then you're going to need it.
Yeah.
Right, but of course, we also support
Agentless.
Agentless. Well, we will be on that later.
That's right. And about this queue, guys, when you click on queue, you will see this is a new feature we have.
Outbound queue.
The outbound queue. It looks different. Yeah. But generally speaking, the way how we're going to configure this queue is just the same way how you're going to configure an inbound queue. Very similar.
You can check out the parameters.
Yeah.
They are very similar, and to be frankly, the results of each options are also basically the same.
Yeah, the same thing. As you roll, we support the workload-based routing. If you never enable skill-based routing, that's just what it is. You select your ring strategy here.
Yeah. The ring strategy still decides who will be prioritized.
Yeah.
When there is
to answer
a
the call, right?
Yeah, because if you really think about it, the system make the call to the list, right?
Sure.
If the callee in the list they answer the call, then this call will be sent by the PBX to the agents.
Sure.
Right. So which agent exactly? That's why we need ring strategy.
That's
here,
right. And also you can turn on skill-based routing.
Everything is the same.
Yeah. If you turn on skill-based routing, same thing. When you select these agents in the channel, don't forget to set up the skill level for them.
Yeah, and we also have dynamic agent, static agent, and queue manager.
Queue manager. Yeah.
Yeah,
These are
rows.
all the same thing.
All the same. Yeah. The difference here is the queue permissions.
Yeah, that's right. Because this is the outbound queue. It's not going to be the inbound queue, so it looks a little bit different. When we check on the queue permissions, here we will just set up the permission for these agents to access the particular interface. But this is not for the, the queue panel or workboard. Not for that. It's just for the outbound.
Yeah, it decides who can see the log.
Sure.
And which specific log can they be
That's
seen.
right.
That's how it works.
Sure. Quick example, guys. Check on this. I got this queue pre-configured. Let's just have a quick look here.
Okay.
I set up this queue, and the ring strategy, I use ring all, and I didn't enable skill-based routing because I want to make the whole thing simple.
Okay.
Yeah, and members, let's take a look. I got a couple of agents there, and something important that you guys can see, I put my extension 2000 in the list, and I'm the static agent.
Okay.
Yeah, which means I will be able to get the phone
And
call.
he is also the manager. Probably.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
So he can show you everything.
That's right. And the permission, like I said, I just enable all these permissions for them. Now we click on save. So this is step one.
Yeah.
And step two, well, because this is going to be the outbound queue, you have a bunch of agents to handle the phone call altogether.
Yeah.
Well, when they finish the call, they're supposed to do something else to move forward.
Yeah.
Which is the call disposition.
Well, call disposition is basically a lot of labels that we pre-configure in the system, and we can apply those labels to each calling task.
Yeah.
Right. So the agent can mark the result of each calls with these labels.
Sure.
Right. This is how it works.
Yeah.
Right.
So quick example, I got these three call dispositions pre-configured.
Yeah.
You guys can see I got something called service denied, and it's just called service was denied. Pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we can keep this way.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, there are a few, but you can add
You can add something else,
more.
right?
Yeah, that's okay.
I guess I'll just keep it this way.
Okay.
And now here comes the important part. When you finish all these two steps for your preparation, now step 3, we're gonna click on campaign management.
Okay.
And this is the place how we're gonna start the task.
Yeah, so you can think of a campaign as a calling task,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So you import a list, the system will make outbound calls accordingly. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna create a new one. I'll name it as campaign 1, and here we will select our call disposition. So I'll select 3 of them. All right, keep going. Then you're gonna set up the task time duration.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I guess we're gonna set today's March 4th.
Yeah.
So I'll select this one. And yeah, the time will be okay. I think we're gonna start it for the
We're
whole
gonna
day.
make the call for more than a week.
Yep.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Okay.
And for the daily hours, well, you have a couple of options there, guys. First of all, you can try business hours by default time zone. That's actually a new feature. That's it. What you doing?
Well,
Oh, all right. I was thinking about what's going on there.
okay. Now it's better.
All right. Never mind. So check on this, guys. When you select the first one, business hours by default time zone, yeah, that's another new feature we're about to talk about later.
Yeah,
which
time
is
zones.
multi-time zone. Yeah. You can also try based on custom business hours. Let's try something more aggressive.
Well, yeah, because guys, as you guys can see, we are doing this calls for 7 days.
Yeah.
But it's not clever to make this call 24/7, right? It's not clever.
That's why I said I'm gonna make something more aggressive.
So we can actually set up a schedule. So during those 7 days, the system will only make calls during the pre-configured business hours,
Sure.
and during the break hours, the system will also, just lay back a little bit, stop making the calls. Okay.
That's right. But anyway, this is the live demo, so let's just make something fun here. All right, I'll just set up the schedule like this.
Okay.
For the whole day, whole week. All right. And after that, we click on call rules, and here comes the auto dialers. Yeah, 3 options as we mentioned before. If you try the first one, progressive, this might be the safest one. Yeah, I guess the safest one for you to make phone calls.
Yeah, it's the safest one.
Yeah, if we use the progressive mode, so the system will just make 1 call for each one of our available agent.
Yeah.
Quick example, if right now I have 1 available agent, the system will just make 1 external call.
If that call was denied, like for example, the customer just hang up, then the system will
just make another one.
Will make the second one on the list. Yeah, but it will always make 1 outbound call.
Yeah.
But if you have 2 free agents, then the system will make two calls at a time.
Yeah. And one more thing you need to be a little bit careful here is the maximum concurrent calls.
Yeah.
This is actually the limit. It's another condition you can put it here.
Yeah.
If I set up this one as 2, so the limit will be 2 calls. Well, even there are 3 available agents, but still the system will just make 2 calls.
Yeah. But you can make as much as your total channel.
Yeah,
right?
That's right. You can turn this one to something else, like a 10, that'll be fine.
Yeah. But once again, if you choose progressive dialer, you are choosing a safe dialer because in a lot of countries, making a lot of calls very frequently is illegal.
Yeah.
A lot of countries restrict the spam calls, robocalls. So, if it will cause you a lot of trouble if you make a lot of calls. So if you choose progressive dialer, once again, you are choosing the
safest
safe
way.
Yeah.
And talking about trouble,
Yeah.
the other one might be a little bit troublesome. There is going to be the power mode.
Well, if your customer wants something more aggressive, you can always offer
Sure.
power mode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you select the power mode, something interesting here is the dial rate.
Yeah.
The dial rate here by default, it's gonna be 1. So that basically means if I have 1 available agent, the dial rate will be 1. So we're just gonna make 1 external call.
Yeah. So it's still,
that's right.
It's still like progressive call
Yeah.
if you set it as rate.
Sure, but you can make something more aggressive, like 3 calls.
Yeah.
All right.
So that means for 1 free agent, the system will make 3 concurrent calls at the same time. So if you have 2 free agent, the system will make 6 calls.
Yeah. And this one, you can also make it as 1.5.
Okay.
That's tricky.
So that means if there's 2 agents, then 3 calls. But what will happen if there's 1 agent?
You can give it a guess.
I don't know. 2 calls?
2 calls? No, it's not gonna be 2 calls. We'll just make 1 call. We're gonna take less.
Okay. Okay. So we are still trying to be safe here.
Yeah, that's right, correct.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is just the power mode. And the last one is pretty straightforward, agentless. You don't even need an agent. So the destination here, it's not gonna be the outbound queue.
Yeah,
it's just gonna be IVR or pre-recorded prompt.
Yeah, this is the auto answer that you guys are mentioning about.
Sure.
Yeah, so you don't need a agent. You can just upload a prompt to play automatically if someone pick up, or you can just set up an IVR.
Sure.
Of course, there will be a prompt, but that also give you the possibility to connect this person to an agent with IVR.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly. Well, I guess for my live demo, because I'm going to show you guys something for making
calls. Don't go
calls.
agentless, then we have nothing to show.
I'll use progressive.
Okay.
Then here the outbound queue, I'll select the one I created before. And if you want to record these calls, you can also turn this thing on. For sure.
Okay.
I don't need it.
Don't record the calls.
Yeah, I'll skip it. And next step will be some rules. Take a look. Max attempts. You have to be a little bit careful, especially based on the local regulation. So this default one is going to be 3 times. We're going to try 3 times.
Yeah. So for maximally, we will call 1 contact 3 times.
3 times. Yeah.
Yeah. If they denied all 3 times, we won't try again.
Sure.
But you can change that.
Yeah. Let's make it be more aggressive.
6. Yeah. Be annoying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also retry interval by default 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
That's too much. This live demo.
You are being annoying.
I guess 1 minute will be fine. Let's just keep calling these guys.
You really hate those guys. Yeah.
One more thing, guys. The DOD number. When you set up your SIP trunk, there's a particular item there, which is the outbound caller ID.
Okay.
Well, this time we add a new feature there. You can set up a particular outbound caller ID for this outbound call center.
Yeah, as long as the trunk that you use to make outbound calls, supply the outbound the DoD number service, you can set it up right here.
Sure.
So you can display different IDs, but once again,
That's right.
it has to be approved by the service provider. And of course, prefix. Yeah, here, prefix. Yeah, so if in your system you set up outbound routes in which you require prefix for outbound calls, set it up right here.
Yeah.
Right?
I don't need this.
Okay.
I don't have any prefix.
Okay.
Keep going. Then one last step here will be our contacts.
Okay.
Have a look here. For the contacts, you have two options. Option one, you can try to upload the contact list by yourself.
Yeah.
So you can upload it here directly.
You import a CSV file.
Yeah.
Of course, you can get a template here.
Sure.
Right? You upload it, and you're good to go.
Yeah. And the other option, which is much easier, we're just going to use the phone book feature directly.
You can also use the existed phone book in your system to make the outbound calls, right?
I got this phone book pre-configured. I'll show you later.
Okay.
So I would just select this one directly. And the next step will be number type. It depends on the way how you're going to set up these customers in the phone book, right?
Yeah, because in the phone book, each contact may have multiple numbers.
Yeah,
right?
like business number, mobile numbers. I'll just select them all.
Yeah, these are all pre-configured parameters in our system.
Sure.
Yeah.
And for customers' privacy, you can also turn on mask numbers.
Yeah. If you mask the number, that means the agent won't be able to see the real number of the callees.
Yeah, that's right. Now, one last step, contact sorting. I think this is fine. We're gonna sort it by first name.
And by last name,
by ascending.
Descending, yeah.
Yeah. Now we can click on save and check on OK. Now it's just running in progress.
Yeah, because we are during the dialing hour and we are during the business hour.
Yeah. And check on this. You can also click on view, have a quick overview as the admin. So right now you can have an overview of the working status of this auto dialers.
Yeah.
I think we have right now one number is waiting to dial.
Yeah. Christina Stewart.
That's right. And about the contacts, by the way, quick look. About the contacts, like I said, you can set it up here. This is something I just mentioned before.
Okay.
Yeah, you create this contact, you put the contacts in, that's it, you're good to go.
Okay.
Yeah, after all this, now, here comes the point.
Yeah.
We will switch it to my web client.
Okay,
Because I'm the agent.
Yeah, now we're logging in as agent of different roles to show you how the end users will use it.
Yeah. First off, I'll give it a check. We click on campaign warboard. Now you guys can see the campaign status. You can see it's gonna be the overview.
Yeah, this is for the manager.
Sure.
Yeah.
Like now we have 0 calls is raining. We just got 3 numbers are waiting to dial. So we're gonna wait for a while.
Yeah.
Let the system to call these guys.
Yeah, because we set up 1 minute interval.
Yeah.
The system will make calls very soon.
Sure.
Yeah.
And something else we have here is you can also see your agents, by the way, because I'm the manager, right?
Yeah, this is
so I can also do
standardized.
some management here.
We can see the dials result down here, right?
Yeah.
And the call disposition because no one has answered yet, so we don't know. But there we can also see the connect rate.
Yeah.
The real, everything. Okay, so now we move on to the inbox, okay?
Yeah, now we get a call right now.
Oh,
I
someone pick up.
I can pick it up. I can pick it up.
Yeah.
One of our contacts just pick up the call, right?
Yeah.
Let me mute my mic.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm gonna minimize this.
Yeah.
Okay, let's switch it back to the inbox.
Okay.
This is how it looks, guys.
This is what agent will see. Yeah.
So the inbox here basically will be able to see the pop-up on my right hand here. You will see this customer information.
If this customer is registered in the phone book.
Yeah. But.
Yeah, butt poo.
Yeah, butt poo here. You can see his contact details here. And also right now we're talking with this guy.
Okay.
And you will also see something is flashing there. That's another call.
That's another call.
Right?
Yeah, that's another waiting call. But I guess another agent has picked it up.
Probably just handle this call.
Yeah.
And something, still waiting.
Still waiting. It's blinking to show us that.
Sure, yeah. And let's just keep going. Something else we have here will be the call disposition. Now you just have the conversation with the customer right now, and if everything's all confirmed, now you can hold this call. You can hand it up. Let me just hold it first.
Okay.
And you can do something else here is you can select the call disposition.
Okay.
That's something I mentioned before. Like, hey, I just finished this call before and everything's all good, and I might choose close deal.
Okay.
Or maybe something I need to do is gonna be need to call back.
Yeah.
So I just mark it as need to call back.
Okay, call back. Yeah.
And then keep going, guys. Here we have callback registration. What else you can do there is you can actually enable the callback, and you set up the schedule. Like I set up the schedule for the callback. I think what time is it right now?
I don't know.
Now you got an iPad. Check out the time.
It's half past 5.
Okay. I guess I'll choose maybe 6 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll choose 6 p.m. So that means I'm gonna set up the schedule for the callback on 6 p.m. today, March 4th, and the callback number will be this particular customer's number.
Yeah.
And
we mask the number so we cannot see.
Yeah, that's
it.
right.
Yeah.
And I can also enable direct to me. So this call will be directed to my extension.
So the system will directly call back.
Yeah.
And at the scheduled time.
yeah.
And directly send
Yeah.
to him.
Yeah, I'll just save this rule, and when I finish this call, I'll just hand it up.
Yeah.
There you go. Now you can check all the settings if everything's all confirmed. There's a counting down, like a 4 or 5 seconds. Now, if everything's confirmed, it will save it automatically.
Yeah. Okay.
Bingo. Now we just have this schedule for the callback.
Yeah. Okay.
It won't call back right now. I guess it's gonna be 6 p.m. Yeah. So this is just the whole process how you're gonna use the outbound call center through your. Oh, well, we got another call.
Another call, but this is outbound call center, guys. Take a look. This is how outbound call center works, right?
Sure.
Well, if we have this high, connection rate, we will be happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we won't because of my settings. We have crazy outbound call center.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, this is just the whole process. Shall we stop the campaign?
Yeah. Stop that.
Otherwise, our colleagues, they will keep getting these phone calls. That would be crazy. So if you guys want to stop the campaign, you can switch it back to the configuration portal. You can click on pause.
Hi, we have a question here.
Yeah,
Hi,
go ahead.
Can we connect our Odoo CRM system to upload contact easily? Yes.
Sure.
The thing is we can actually synchronize the Odoo CRM to our PBX phone book. This way, it will work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, talking about CRM, shall we save that? Or maybe next time, or today? I don't know.
Let's move on with the.
Yeah, let's just move on. Let's just move on. All right. Anything else? Any other questions?
Erwin says we need this remark as well for the inbound call center.
Yeah, I got the same question. I think maybe a couple of days ago during the training.
From Erwin as well.
Not sure. I forget it, but I get something similar. People were asking about, hey, can we get this call disposition feature for inbound call center? Quite interesting because now we release this outbound call center with it.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah. I guess we can deliver this message to the product management.
Well, pre-sales are there, so.
Yeah. You guys can just push them.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else?
Can we use outbound call center with regular calls without campaigns, having users in the outbound call center and track all their calls per trunk, or is it specifically campaign based? Outbound auto dialer are campaign based.
Yeah.
But well, they can work. You can set up for them.
Sure.
Yeah. So, but all
based on this firmware, if you really want to make some automatic calls, you can just create a campaign. That's not a problem.
Yeah. Okay, let's move on.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just keep going. That was all we have for this outbound call center. Once again, 30-day free trial. Don't forget.
Free trial. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, can we get back to the campaign page to see the results?
Yep. You mean the
wallboard, the campaign wallboard?
Sure. Check on this.
Yeah. Okay. All right. As you guys can see, everything has been updated.
Yep.
Right. We see that the call is
and now it's paused.
It's paused. We have a scheduled call.
Sure.
We have scheduled call pass.
Back.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the key metrics, we have 7 calls, 3 has been answered.
Yeah.
The abandoned rate is 0, so that means no call has been abandoned by the agent, and all the 3 calls are complete.
Handled. Yeah, that's right. And also, you can check over here. Now, right now, it's stopped, so I don't have any number waiting to dial or ringing. We're talking. Already dialed, you can see all the records here. And you check on scheduled callback. This is the one I said before.
Yeah.
6 p.m. Ready to go.
Yeah, the system will make the outbound call 6 p.m.
Sure, and also you can check something else like a dial result, call disposition. It's quite straightforward. And because I'm the manager, right, I will also be able to control these agents. I can lock them in, kick them out, change their status, as usual.
Yeah, basic stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So I guess we're good with the outbound call center.
Yep.
Right.
That's it.
Yeah. We already see a lot of questions. We take a lot of them. We also receive a lot of great suggestions, like needing remark.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we add do not call list? Yeah, this is very interesting. Not for now, but in a lot of countries they have this,
Regulation.
program.
Yeah.
Program where some calls are registered as do not call list.
Sure.
So call centers cannot call them. Yeah, but if we still we need to receive feedbacks if that's the case in your country and you have this you have this law, you have to follow it. Let us know. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do not call list. Yeah, this is a very good point. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move on.
Yeah, let's
Next
just
one.
move on. Let's keep going. This time, what we have is not just the outbound call center.
Yeah.
Outbound call center is the first one. The other important update we have there is the multi-time zone.
Yeah. So it's very easy to understand. Okay. We can set up multiple time zones in our system.
Yeah.
And our system can work based on different time zones simultaneously.
Yeah.
And different people, different departments, different features such as IVRs, queues, such as inbound call center, inbound routes, outbound routes, extensions. They can all working based on different time zone.
Sure.
So now you can very easily set up a PBX for a international company.
Yeah,
Right,
exactly.
because you can just set up multiple time zone there. You just create different departments, people, in the system that that works based on this.
It
time
can be a
zone
pretty
and-
good solution for international companies. It can also be a pretty good solution for, I guess, people in the United States and in some countries. If you have multi-time zones, this is a pretty good solution. Give it a check. Just check on my system. I will give you a quick overview. Have a look. About this multi-time zone feature, guys, as Ramon mentioned, we can use it for a couple of scenarios, and you can set up the multi-time zone for a couple of destinations. Extension.
Extension?
Yep.
course.
Inbound route, outbound route, IVR, ring group, and call queue.
Yeah, that means different people can work around different time zones.
That's right. True.
And IVRs and ring groups, that's department, queue.
Yeah.
Once again, that's department as well.
And about the configuration, very easy. Check on this. Check on this, check on this. You click on call control, you can see the business hours and holidays. As you roll, click on that one. And this is the new feature you have.
Yeah.
You click on it, you create a new time zone.
Yeah, you
that's
select a new time zone.
Oh, yeah,
you
yeah,
don't, you don't create a time zone.
Play God. All right. So my example, I got a couple of time zones there, so we can just set it up like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, and you can set up different schedules for different time zones.
Sure.
of course. Holidays as well.
Yeah.
And
Like I have different time schedule for US, for Germany, that's it.
yeah, and now we can apply different time zones when we create different things. Like for example,
Like an inbound route.
inbound routes. Yeah.
Yeah,
we can like for example we can create different inbound routes for different offices all around the world, right?
Yeah.
So we can just choose a time zone
Yeah.
here, and this inbound router will work based on this time zone.
Sure.
Yeah. So you don't have to be a master of time, to set up our system.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Okay, and of course extensions. When you create an extension, the system will ask if it follows the system default time zone,
Yep.
or do you want to set up another, specific time zone?
That's right.
Yeah, here it is. Default time zone or other time zones.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is how it works. Very easy to understand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and by the way, we also allow to switch time zones with features code with IP phones.
Sure. That truly matters. Some
Yeah.
people, they just want to have a quick switch.
Yeah.
Try the feature code.
Yeah, how it works.
How it works, you switch it back here, you can check all your feature codes. Check on this.
Yeah, so this is the feature code for this default time zone. But if we click on the US one,
Yeah, it will be switched to the
that's
different
another
one.
time. That's another features code. So if you use the feature code, your extension,
Yeah.
your phone, your IP phone will be switched directly to this time
Sure.
zone. Yeah. Okay, good. So once again, if you have a multi-continental international company situation going on, well, this is good. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the multi-time zone
Multi-time
feature.
zone, yeah.
Yeah, and we also have a very
Optimization.
optimization. Yes.
Yeah, on the Linkus. Yeah. Because Linkus is something very important for you guys, for us, for everyone.
Yeah.
And every single time we just keep doing something to optimize the Linkus.
Yeah.
This time what you guys can do there is, if you're using the desktop client, what you can do there is all these interfaces we posted on the screen.
Yeah.
Like the inbound call center, the outbound call center, the operator panel. You can actually manage all these things through your desktop client directly.
Locally.
Yeah, you don't have to switch it back to the web client.
Well, if for those who spend a lot of time on our desktop, the thing is in our older version, if you're using Outbound Call Center, all the listed features, you will be automatically switched to the
Web client. Yeah.
because it's over there. Now we make it local. You don't have to be jumped.
Sure.
have to be jumped there, right? You can do everything right in your desktop. Well, it's small optimization, but it's very
But it
practical.
helps. It truly helps.
Yeah, it's very practical.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, this is pretty much it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, by the way, guys, we talking about our roadmap.
Now we can talk about it, right?
Well, first of all, the outbound call center. Okay.
Yeah.
We will improve our outbound call center. For the next version, future version,
Sure.
the next upgrade about the outbound call center will be the reports.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will develop several, not several.
Some key
yeah.
metrics will be captured in the report.
Yeah. So there will be, specific reports for the
Yeah.
outbound call center, and we're working on that. Okay, wallboard is on the way, right?
Yeah.
But maybe later.
Yeah, maybe later.
Yeah.
We can't tell you when. But good news, it's just on the way. Yeah.
Yeah, it is on the way, and we have other features, right?
Yeah, sure. Something we just mentioned before.
CRM integration.
Yeah, CRM integration. Now you guys can try the official integration with a couple of CRMs. The big brand, mainstream brands in the market. But actually, when we use the CRM in local market, pretty much sure we have lots of local brands, even some in-house CRM.
Yeah. The situation with CRM is quite more complicated
Yeah.
because there is a lot of local CRM, regional CRM that is very strong in some places.
Yeah.
But they're not global. Yeah. And it's quite common.
Sure.
Yeah,
sure.
it's quite common. So it's going to be very difficult for us to.
We can't make the integration with each one of them one by one. That would be crazy. But
Yeah.
we have an easier way, guys.
Yeah. So instead, we develop a little tool for you guys to, manage that by yourself very
Sure.
easily.
Sure.
Yeah, it's basically a template.
Yeah.
You put in all the parameters, and you can just realize the integration.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which makes your configuration way much easier.
Yeah.
That one will be available pretty much soon.
Yeah. Well, on the next upgrade.
Yeah.
Are we going to do a live stream here?
No, not exactly. Not exactly. Probably will be another live stream.
Well, we
will collect some more features, and we will have another live stream.
Yeah, but we will surely do trainings.
Sure.
So if you guys are interested how to set it up,
Yeah.
how exactly can you use it, we will have trainings. We'll have webinars as always. You guys can register for that.
I'm pretty sure you guys noticed that this year, 2025, we have a very frequent update every single month, right? Almost every single month, we're about to have a new firmware. So for another live stream, it might take some time. We might collect more features, we put them together to give you guys another live stream. Yeah.
Paul asks, what is the name of the CRM tool? We don't have an official English name. If we translate directly from Chinese, which we use internally, that's CRM template.
Yeah, it's just called CRM template, I guess, for now.
Yeah, for now. Yeah. Internally. Yeah. But Paul, you know us, so we can share the internal name with you. It's no problem at all. Okay. Is that CRM tool will be used in hardware PBX? Well, people are not happy that we do
Right.
not support the outbound.
Right.
Well, guys, as far as I know, the CRM tool will work around with all the additions.
It's gonna be a basic feature, so it will be available on all of our PCR system. Take it easy.
Yeah. First of all, outbound calls. We're not saying the outbound call center will definitely be.
It just takes some time.
Well, we need to figure things out.
Sure.
It's just like that. Okay. Well, thank you for your question. Hardware PBX. We know when there's a lot of people that is using hardware PBX all around the world, and well, we will figure something out. Okay. Okay. Well, guys, if you have questions, just
Feel free to let us know.
Yeah,
Drop
because
your
that's-
questions
yeah.
in the channel.
yeah, because that's pretty much all that we have for today.
Yeah.
If you don't have any questions, then we're gonna tap out.
We got a quite tight live stream today.
Yeah. Okay. For outbound calls, CC manual dialing is option would be great. Manual dialing. Okay, so you need a safer way. Echo,
Yeah.
manual dialing. So we
Much
just
safer.
Yeah, so we just give you a little button, show you
Sure.
who are supposed to be the next,
And
if
you click on it,
you click
you're
to
gonna call
initiate
them
the call
manually.
Yeah, it's a safe way. Yeah, more safe way. Call it CRM Connect. Yeah, that's a good name.
Yeah, that sounds
Thank
good.
you, pal.
That sounds
Thank
good.
you, pal. Okay, marketing team is right here.
Yeah.
They're supposed to name the
Sure. The new feature.
yeah. So if they choose this name, we're gonna,
What, you prepare something for Paul?
we're gonna, show you some. I don't know.
You got a gift?
We'll give you a little trophy, perhaps. The father of CRM Connect.
All right.
Jamie, will there be queue panel that shows all queues instead of single one? There is.
Queue panel, yeah, that's something we already have, guys.
There is.
Yeah, that's something you have. When you switch it to your web client, if you are the manager, you got the permission, you check on the warboard. I'm sorry, you check on the queue panel. You can do it. You can do it.
You can do it. Why don't you show
Sure.
show it here? Can
Check
we
on my
switch to the
screen here.
screen display?
Check on my screen. Where's my screen? Anyone?
Need a little time. Marketing team need a little time. They're
Yeah,
thinking
yeah.
about CRM Connect.
Right. That's something more important, right?
Yeah, and they're thinking about the budget with the trophy.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good point.
They're like, why did Ramon promise this? Why do I have to buy another trophy? Why? Still? Are we? Is the screen all right? Screen share all right? Can we? We're not joking here. Okay, right. Just in a second. Can we see the screen now?
Still frozen?
Oh, okay.
All right, now it's working.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
check on this. I guess I only have one queue.
Yeah. But
I
you
only
just
got
go
one
here.
queue.
If you have multiple queues,
You can switch it here.
You switch here, you will see
Yeah.
a little label that says all.
Sure.
Yeah.
Let me create another queue. Yeah, I can create another queue. I'll just name it as Q1.
Well, there's a lot of things that you have to do.
Q.
Q1.
This is number. I'm
this
sorry.
is number. Sorry.
Q1.
Okay.
Members select one. That's
Select
enough.
yourself. Otherwise, you won't be able to see the queue.
You got it. Members. I will select my extension as the manager.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Paul already. Paul liked this trophy idea, and he prefer a smiley face. A smiley face.
Yeah, guys, here.
Yeah, it says all. No. In the form view, we can see that. Okay. Right. And add call disposition to callers waiting in the queue. To callers waiting in the queue. Well, I see another question out there, another comments out there that says they need call labels also for. Can they have call label the call disposition for the agentless calls?
For agentless.
So the system will mark if it's answered.
Yeah.
If it's not, well, it will show in the reports, but
Yeah.
not as labels.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you go with agentless, it will show you the result of the calls if that's what you need, because it's agentless, so nobody will be there to make the
Sure.
Yeah,
Sure.
and
sure,
there
sure.
are only up to possible
Yeah,
reasons.
because the
Up
call
to possible
disposition,
reasons.
you actually need to mark it by yourself.
Yeah. But you will be able to see the results. Yeah. Okay. Good. Can we have more enhancement on the WhatsApp integration and Instagram integration, and with the new update? Okay.
I guess we do have a plan to have some updates for the messaging.
Okay.
It's on the roadmap. Some updates.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you? I don't know.
For now, when you use WhatsApp, it's only for inbound messaging, right?
Outbound messaging.
Yeah.
Okay.
The new
okay.
update will be the outbound messaging. It will be supported soon.
Really?
How soon? I don't know. I can tell you soon, but I don't know how soon it is.
That's typical. Okay. All right. Okay. So I guess that's pretty much it for today. Well, guys, thank you so much for being here.
Yeah.
It's been quite fun to talk with you guys, to see your suggestions. And well, Paul, you name a feature. You just name a feature. Thank you so much. We like the name.
Yeah.
We just wait for a trophy, okay?
Sure.
There are some other code disposition is the same for all campaign. I have some customer with multiple campaign, and each campaign have different call disposition. No problem.
Sure.
No problem.
Because for call disposition, it's fully customized by yourself. And when you set up the campaign, you're going to select different call dispositions by yourself.
You basically have a repository of a lot of labels, and you assign available labels for different campaigns.
Sure.
So these assigned labels are available for the agents
For
to
that
use,
particular one,
right?
yeah.
But other labels are available. It's all customizable. Okay.
Sure.
Right. Can I have detailed explanation about outbound call center? We just did a very
We just did.
very detailed
missed it.
explanation. Yeah. But we do have playback
Sure.
for this
Live stream.
And of course we have a lot of videos made for.
Oh yeah, we
outbound call
prepared a couple of videos about outbound call centers.
Yeah, how to configure it, a demo of how to use it, and another is on the way.
Sure.
Yeah, about how to, how an agent and how a manager can use it, things like this. So yeah, and of course there's menu about it. Yeah.
Subscribe our channel.
Well, subscribe our channel.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you, and thank you so much for Jim Lee, who's been helping us.
Yeah.
A lot, and taking all the questions, being the Superman.
Superman.
Yeah.
Yeah. Super Jim. Thank you.
Super Jim. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, another question. If for marketing team, when the PBX is updated, there always is a privacy policy you have to agree on. With all the updates, users are complaining about this purpose.
Yeah.
Okay. We're not from the marketing team. And marketing team have to also consult legal team.
Right.
Yeah.
I think that might be the legal issue, so we have to post it every single time.
We don't know. We cannot give you responsible answer right now. But what we can do is let the marketing know that people are complaining about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's the thing. Like nowadays, with all the softwares you use, every time there's an upgrade, you have to agree on a lot of things.
The data privacy, you will always see it.
Yeah. Games as
Sure,
well.
sure.
Whenever there is an upgrade, minor upgrade, you will see.
You have to accept it.
But once again, we probably need to do that. Okay. There. Thank you. Brilliant. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I guess that'll be it for today.
Sure.
And we will see you very soon. And of course, detailed trainings on the outbound call centers will be organized in different places during different times, very soon. So you guys just stay tuned with our social media, with your distributors, with your partners. Well, and we will see you again.
Yep.
Yeah, if you need more information about outbound call center, we have that.
Sure.
Those webinars. Okay.
Sure.
All right. I guess that's it. Thank you so much. Yeastar guys, you do great. This product is better than.
Better than what? Better than.
You guess.
All right. Thank you
Yes.
guys.
Thank you guys. The thing is, you guys made us
Yeah, you made it.
because you give us suggestions.
Every
great
single time we
suggestions.
got a new update, we collect a whole bunch of your feedbacks,
Yeah.
then we make it.
Yeah, if you are working with expert, you will be the expert.
Sure.
If you work alone, well, you will be.
What? You become
who?
a philosopher right now.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Thank you. I guess that'll be it
Sure,
for today.
sure.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, guys.
Thank you so much. We will see you on the next one.
Yep.